Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best indoor air conditioners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many indoor air conditioners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each indoor air conditioners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying an indoor air conditioner. First, think about the size of the room and the cooling capacity you need. Choosing the right BTU rating ensures efficient performance and lower energy use. Next, pay attention to energy efficiency ratings, such as the star rating or energy label, to help save on electricity bills. Noise level is also important, especially if you plan to use it in bedrooms or quiet spaces. Look for models with good air filters that can remove dust and allergens for cleaner air. Check for easy maintenance features like removable filters and accessible panels. Lastly, consider smart features such as remote control, app connectivity, or timers for convenience. Always compare prices, read user reviews, and choose a trusted brand for reliability. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.